Hello, guys. Welcome back to House of Cramel. Since Valentine's Day and Super Bowl Sunday are coming up, I wanted to give you 3 ideas for 3 different food boards. So, without further ado, let's get into it. My first board is a breakfast board. So, one thing that I've learned that I'd like to do when I'm creating these boards is to kind of create 2 anchors. In this board, for me, it was the mini puff pancakes and the waffles. In the center, I have a small container of eggs, and I decided to place my fruit on one side, and then you'll see me place the breakfast meats on the other. So what you see here are just some raspberries, some chopped strawberries, and I also chopped up some bananas. All things that taste great on waffles or pancakes. Then I have our bacon, and then I'm going to add in some chicken sausage, you guys. I got this chicken sausage from Target. It's a chicken Gouda, I believe. So delicious. Make sure you try it. And I forgot to add a space for my syrup and my Nutella, so that's what I'm doing now. So that is maple syrup, and then I'm going to come in with the Nutella. You guys, if you haven't tasted your waffles with Nutella or even your pancakes, you have not lived. Add any type of chocolate you would like, but I chose to do the hazelnut spread. And here is my finished product. I decided to just upgrade the breakfast board from last year. The only additions are the waffles and the Nutella. All right, next up, I wanted to do sort of a Valentine's Day themed board. So I call this my romantic red board. I just tried to incorporate the majority red fruits, if you will. So here we have some red grapes. Even though they're purple, I know they're still called red grapes. So they're on the board. Next, I'm coming back with some chopped strawberries. I really didn't think strawberries would be in season right now, but they are delicious, guys. So try them. Next, I'm coming in with a blood orange. I loved the color this brought to the board, and it gave me another opportunity to bring something red in. I'm adding just a few whole strawberries, and then I'm coming in with some cherries on the other side here. Adding in a couple raspberries. And then on my little heart platform, I'm adding in some chocolate covered pretzels. You see my hazelnut spread in the middle there. Any of these fruits could be dipped in them. You guys, I really loved how this board came out. And lastly, here is my take on the classic charcuterie board, also called meat and cheese board. So one thing I like to consider, well, 2 things I like to consider when putting a board like this together is color and things that I actually like to eat. So, and that's how I like to group them. So if you wouldn't necessarily eat it together, I wouldn't put it on the board next to each other. So you see me, I have some grapes and cheese next to each other. I have my olives in the small container. Throw in a few nuts. So that's like a little snack board in itself. Then I'm coming in with some dried apricots. Oh, and now I have my goat cheese loaf. So you guys, one thing that makes doing a charcuterie board super easy is that most of your local supermarkets have a section that just has all of this stuff together. My suggestion is just to go there, pick up a bunch of the stuff that you like. Just make sure you have some meat, cheese, and some fruit, and a soft cheese and a hard cheese. That's pretty much my formula. And of course, some nuts. Once you got that down, oh, and crackers, I'm sorry. So let me list that again. Soft cheese, hard cheese, meat, fruit, olives, and different types of crackers. You get a couple of different ones of those down, and you got a charcuterie board. So I'm going in with I have like some pistachio crackers here that I'm putting next to the goat cheese loaf. I also have some mini toast that I put there, and then I have my salami, pepperoni, and prosciutto for my meat. And I also put some fig jam next to my mini toast. You guys, I can't stress enough how easy this can be for you. You don't have to pay anyone or pay a whole lot of money to put a board like this together. Just go to your grocery store, find things that you like or that you want to try. Usually there's also someone behind the counter that can help you make some good selections or let you taste something if you want to try something different, like a different type of cheese. That's it, folks. And those are my 3 ideas. So charcuterie boards, food boards, graze boards are simply just boards of food that you love to eat grouped together on a board, of course. It's very simple, but it's a simple way to elevate any event, or if you just want to do something special for a loved one or entertain. It's your choice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, please, and let me know what type of boards you like and how you do it. That's it. You guys have a great day and enjoy Valentine's Day and the Super Bowl.